how to create Woolworths account. So if you want to create a Woolworths account, then first you need to check your internet connection, and then you need to open up your browser, any browser. I'll be here with my Chrome browser. Once you're on the browser, you need to go for the search and search for Woolworths. And here on the first, you will have www.woolworths.com. Click on the first search, and here on the upper right side of your screen, you will have login or sign up. So simply click on that option, and here it will take you to the login or sign up page. So in order to create your account, you just need to simply go for sign up here. Click on sign up, and it will take you to create your account page. So under your create your account page, you need to enter the email address. So first enter the email address, and then you need to create a password. So the password must be of at least 8 characters, and it should not be a common password. So make sure to enter a strong password. And if you're shopping on behalf of a business, then you can click on this box. Or if it's personal, then don't click on it. And then you need to scroll down, and under personal details, you need to enter your first and last name, and then the mobile number and the date of birth. So make sure to enter the date of birth and scroll down. And here you need to click on this, by which you will agree to the terms and conditions. Scroll down and go for submit. So here, if you have this kind of interface, then you just need to simply go and check your information and enter a valid phone number. So if it says that it's not a valid phone number or the mobile number, then it means that in your country or in your region, that option is not available to create your account. But if it's available in your region, then enter your phone number and then go for submit. And once you click on submit, it will take you to the next page where you just need to verify. So you'll get some code on your email or your phone number, and after verifying, your account will be created. So in this way, you can create your account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.